Hello everybody, I'm back. I showed you another fan. I unboxed another fan for you, but this time I choose a different brand. I don't open the Vornado fan. Today I open a different one. And I ordered the delivery. I ordered on Saturday evening. And they deliver overnight. They try to deliver overnight. They have the range time is 4 to 8 a.m. I'm kind of surprised that's so early. But let's they came at about 6. Came about 6 something. Let's start by. This is a fan I got for today from Unbox today. This is I choose this time. I choose the Honeywell fan. The TurboForce power Circulator. No, that's I think it's Spanish. I don't know how to read. And let me turn another side. Probably they have English here. On another side, reverse of that is English. TurboForce power air circulator, 3-speed, 25% quieter, and had PWAPs 90%. No, 90 degrees. Feel the power 25 feet away. And this is 1 year. This one different with Vornado fan. This is only 1 year with limited warranty. That's model number HT-900. Then on this side, pretty much the same I just showed you. And this is a 3-speed settings. Carrying handle, and this is a head PWAPs 90 degrees, and this energy savings, full cellular block, and this is information about a company. You want to take a look? Go ahead, because the voice is kind of tiny, and if I want to read, I have to wear the older lady glasses and unable to read. And glasses on one side, and this side is a Honeywell air circulator. Okay, air circulator, a cooling icon for 20 bucks, blah blah blah. Okay, just read. Once again, I don't have my glasses on, so if you want to continue read, just stop and read. And here in the bottom, okay, let's open it, and then let's see here. I think I bought, how much I bought over $16.99, I think so. I told you I'm old. I've easily forgot now. We have got December, and the fan right here. It's bigger than the one I showed you yesterday. And here, bigger than the fans I showed you yesterday, but this is kind of smaller than the fan I showed you last week. In here, that's inside. This one is easy for you to see inside. And three places. Honeywell, and they have the base like this, and the tiny is in the back here. Yes, it's inside, and there's a core, and this is the speed settings. They have 3 levels, 0 here, and 3 and 2 and 1. Master system that go up, go by small to you know, it's slow to fast. But most of the fan I see now is from fast to slow. And this you can turn up and down. And let me hook up the power and see how does the fan operate, functioning. I saw a lot of people say it's just a kind of as a quiet, so. Oh, this one they don't have the thing. Now, I already hooked up. Let's see on the size. So I turn this for you to see. That's 3. It's 2. And this one. Yes, 1. That's the maximum. A little bit 130, I think 135. And that's 90 degrees. And 40 is, I think the maximum is 45 degrees. The minimum is 45 degrees. The maximum is 180 degrees. So, okay, that's you know what? I test like since last week the difference. I cannot distinguish which one best around now. I have to keep 3 of them lie together and then I turn on the same time and then I can tell you what's the difference. But now for individual this one right now, it's a cold air. It's flowing into my face now. It's on the setting number 3, and I hope you can hear me. If you can hear me, that's right. And that's number 3. You can see that this is facing my face now. So far, my face is not getting hurt anything. That's for number 3, and it's off. 3, 2, 1. Wow, can low. Okay, yep, here is the fan. It's a Honeywell fan. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. And please don't forget to subscribe, like my video. Thank you. And yep.